In this video, we will show you how to install a new front track control arm without preload. In case of preload, the center of the bushing is tightened in a wrong position, which causes tension on the rubber, leading to failure of the part. For the best access to the front suspension, we lift the car with the 2-post car lift. After lifting the car, remove the wheel. In case of eccentric bolts, first mark their position on the washer and the subframe to achieve a basic setup and simplify the wheel alignment after installation. Unscrew and remove both nuts. Remove both bolts and take the track control arm out of the car. Compare the old and the new part to verify that you are installing the correct part and that the dust covers look okay. Position the track control arm and insert both bolts. Now place the nuts and tighten without tension. Mount the wheel and slightly tighten the bolts. Lower the car and fixate the wheels according to the prescribed tightening torques. Move the car to a 4-post car lift and make sure that the car suspension system is at rest. Now reposition the bolts according to the marks and tighten the nuts of the track control arm completely according to the prescribed tightening torques. Any repair of the car suspension system should be followed by an alignment of the wheels.